will find you.
Come, Talion. Free me.
You need to keep quiet.
You've come far.
I'm gonna kill it.
These orcs are preparing for war.
I think must have been a goat in the underbrush. Never know what you'll find. Did you hear that? Talion. Talion.
Celebrimbo, what has been done to you?
You've kept us waiting. Kept us waiting.
Free him!
Spider does not forfeit his prey, Ranger. Not unless a greater has set free. I called you here for a reason. I called you here.
You will return him to me. Now.
You are brave. For a man. But it is not your sword that will save him. How much are you willing to sacrifice? To suffer. To suffer.
I have given up everything.
Not everything. Not yet.
You want the ring?
You would give me the ring for the Wraith.
And find myself beside him in your web.
I am Shelob, and I deal only in truth. I wouldn't give it up either.
Wait!
Time now!
Take your price.
I'm impressed, Ranger. He must mean something to you. Go to your puppet before he dies.
You have doomed us, Talion. Her power was vast before, and now you have given her mine. I poured my life force into that ring.
Then we must take it back.
The war you came to fight is not here. The ring is lost. So look to Minas Ithil and the Dark Lord's armies that surround it. Look to the Palantir, Sauron will not stop until all of Middle-earth is dominated.
The Palantir must be protected.
Minas Ithil.
I must know if Shelob's vision holds true. The Spider showed us the truth. Gondor's last fortress in Mordor cannot fall.
The Palantir is our concern. We must seize it before it falls into Sauron's hands. With it, his armies will be unstoppable. The fate of the city matters not.
I will not let them be slaughtered like my brothers at the Black Gate. We need to do something. Taking out the captain should buy the Gondorians some time.
And they could lead us to the Palantir. We must find a worm and make him talk.
Hide down here. What are we even waiting for?
There. His mind is weak. Who leads the search for the Palantir? The captain leading the search is in the lower city.
Then he will go no further.
You should have kept your mouth shut. Now we're stuck back in the rear instead of where the fighting is. Not to me. Didn't march to the edge of nowhere to not kill Manfield. Palantir. What do I know about this history? They really put up a fight for the It's the Grave Walker! I thought he was dead! He is!
Got in the bow.
doesn't look good for the Gondorians. We have to help.
The Palantir is a powerful artifact. If we were to possess it...
We could turn the tide.
Why don't these stinking pinkskins know when they're beaten? The defenders in the lower city were pathetic.
We need to target their captains. He's close.
The Wraith World will reveal his presence. Horza.
All right, form up! Your mission is to secure the Seeing Stone. It's blue, it's round, and it's ours. This is a powerful artifact, lads. You bring it to me, but do not touch it, unless you want your brains scrambled. Are you lost?
Minas Ithil is no more. This is Minas Morgul. And Minas Morgul eats your kind.
For Gondor! I will avenge my brothers!
Clear off, you useless!
You will never take our city!
I'm using
You will die!
Why are you out here alone?
My raiding party was trapped in the lower city overnight.
How many of you were there?
Not enough.
Minas Ithil still stands.
We're about to lose the middle city, Ranger. They'll be closing the gate if they haven't already. We need to get up there as fast as we can.
I'll be right behind you. Wait! What is your name?
Idril,
Talion.
don't fall behind, Talion. We've lost enough men today. Do you hear that, Ranger? They're closing the gate.
Then let's cut a path up there.
Sergeant Tarandor's going to need our help. Let's move.
Stop with the dead. I don't know who you are, but thank you. Push it. Get behind him! Marine will need our support. We can't leave him out here.
like Shelob's vision.
If Sauron's forces get the Palantir, all of Middle-earth will share the same fate.
I'll kill you! Where are you going? Stay here and fight. We'll never take the city! Cut every one of them down!
It's not looking good. It hasn't looked good for weeks.
Thunder will destroy you! I am your ruin!
Sergeant Dagon and his men are at the arena. We must aid them.
Block the gate! Don't let them close it!
We've lost the middle city! Rally at the gate!
Keep moving! We'll cover your retreat! Gate's still open! Get up there now! Fall back! Rally at the gate! Attack the Rangers! You're mine!
Join us! The gate is closing!
We'll be right behind you! I'll put you back in the dirt! Sliding!
The middle city is lost!
Pulling back! Go! Go!
Sergeant Dagon, we're pulling back. The middle city is lost.
Not before we finish these filthy trucks! You are not sure you!
They're sealing the gate! Move out! Move out!
Target the Ranger! I'm the liquor one!
Faster, Ranger!
Die, burn! Kill them all! Kill them all! Die! Oh!
Quickly! Under the gate!
Get moving!
What are you doing?
I will be long. Go.
Have the archers provide support.
Pick his target! Got him down! Hit him from the gunfire! Anything but get behind him! He's too fast! He's fear! Oh, take it! You can't save the
We've lost the middle city. We made them pay for every inch of ground, but they now hold it.
Then our fate will be decided here. Our inner wall is our strongest, and we have double their archer.
We cannot match the orcs for their numbers or ferocity.
Now, our people have held back Sauron's forces before.
But some things were lost forever.
Yes, of course they were. Go to the Great Hall. Secure the relics.
My place is here.
Make sure they are taken to Henethanoon.
Is that an order?
You must understand. We must protect what is most precious
At all costs.
Yes, That is an order.
Then I'll see it done. But I'll be back on the wall before their next assault.
A ranger from the Black Gate. I thought you were all dead.
You heard the truth.
If you've come to fight for Minas Ithil, Ranger, report to Captain Berenor.
Not come to join your army, General, but for the Palantir and its safekeeping.
Protect the city, and the Palantir will be safe. However, our raiding parties are targeting enemy captains in the lower city.
You wish to spread terror in their ranks.
Yes. It's about time they tasted fear.
The men are assembled, General.
We need to secure the Palantir now. The city is weak, and it will not hold for much longer.
But we cannot leave the Gondorians to their fate. Castamir is right. By protecting the city, we protect the Palantir.
Look.
The towers bear his mark.
Those were my towers once. Now Sauron's corruption spreads beyond the borders of Mordor. He mocks me.
They give him sight.
Not without the Palantir.
We will dismantle his hold on Minas Ithil. We will shift the tide of war.